Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. And this video is to bring you a closer look at the Hager number BB1817 ABA or US5 4x4 standard removable hinge. This is a very typical sort of hinge that is going to have this square corner by 5/8 radius template, and you're going to see that installed in certain residential wood door, steel frame applications. Name of that manufacturer, I really don't know for sure whose brand of door you're going to have that you will require the square by radius corner. I've seen it from more than one. Okay. So the BB1817, that means that it's, first of all, the BB part means ball bearing. And this would be very appropriate for any exterior door that you're going to have in a home. That would, be the primary point of exit and entrance to a space. Doors of that nature are typically solid core, obviously, and will have the majority frequency of use. Or interior doors are always going to benefit from the application of ball bearing hinges as well. However, this sort of unusual combination of square and radius corner would most certainly be an exterior door. It would be unusual to have this in an interior door. And the fact that it's 4x4 tells me that the hinge is going onto a door that's 1 3/4 thick, 4 inch tall, 4 inch high. The 1817 part of the part number refers to the combination of the corners and the location of the screw holes. There is a link below this video to what's called the template. And by all means, familiarize yourself with that before purchasing the hinge if you're unsure if this hinge is going to work and fit in your existing installation or be appropriate for a new installation. The link to the template has all the dimensional properties about the hinge, really most importantly the location of the screw holes. This is indeed a full mortise hinge. You can see from the swag on the hinge leaves there that when they're brought parallel, they're meant to be mortised flush to the edge of the door and to the frame. The ABA is also known as US5. Antique brass is really what this is called. Okay, US5 is a reference to antique brass. This is a steel-based hinge, okay, which would be very appropriate for applications, which is how you would end up getting this. Available in several different finishes from Hager. Includes screws for attaching. It'd be all wood screws generally is what you're going to see in an application like this. Completely reversible. Some people say, well, I'm not sure what kind of door, but if you were to flip it over, this screw hole is up into the outside. The screw hole is up into the outside. Comes back the same way regardless of how you turn it. You can pop that pin out should you want to, and put it on the other side, however you would like. Which you would certainly want. You don't want that pin facing down. In my experience, a hinge pin will work itself a little bit loose over time, so you'd want to tap that down, pin will come out, and you can reverse it and put it right into the top. Okay. 85 thousandths of an inch leaf thickness is what this is, which is typical for residential doors. 85 thousandths, 96 thousandths, something in that range. This will work very good for. And it's a 5-knuckle hinge. Okay. 4 holes per leaf, a total of 8. And that is, again, a 5/8 radius corner that's here. And do come from the factory assembled for left-hand in-swing applications. Okay, very typical and common. Hager is a comprehensive manufacturer of all things trim and auxiliary and hinge related. Their namesake, Hager Hinge, gives you the impression that hinges are what they do, and they do everything hinge related. But it's not only that. Weather stripping, lock sets, exit devices, door closers, sliding door hardware, trim and auxiliary, like push plates and kick plates, door stops, etc. A comprehensive provider of hardware. If you have any questions on the Hager number BB1817, ABA or US5 4x4 hinge, or any other Hager product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.